Hello everyone and welcome to Cryptics. Today we're taking a look at Viking swap. Now no, this is not financial advice, so please do your due diligence and see which coins and tokens interest you. So today we'll be going over how to buy it. First you want to either search or Google, take a look at Viking swap on the internet, and you can see all of its information here. The price, how much it's up or down in the market, the low and high end, and also if it has a market cap or not. You can also go to Viking Swap Finance and take a look at the token itself, see if you're interested in it. Now, how to buy it is fairly simple. First, what we want to do is establish a Binance account, which you can either do at binance.us or you can use a VPN and go to Binance's website as well. And then you want to go ahead and buy some Binance token, either with USD or another cryptocurrency, or you can even exchange it. After you acquired some Binance, you should be good to go. All you need to do is set up a MetaMask wallet. Now you can do this at metamask.io. You want to make sure that you're doing it specifically at metamask.io to avoid any scams, any problems, or any fake websites. There, MetaMask, you'll be allowed to connect it to your PancakeSwap wallet. And you can go here to PancakeSwap, go to exchange, and you can see that there's a place to go ahead and exchange different types of tokens. Now all we need to do is come back to CoinSwap. You'll see a little contract thing here that says copy address. You want to copy that, go to PancakeSwap, paste that in. You can see Viking added by the user, and then just see that we can exchange some Viking for some BNB. Again, you want to make sure that you have your MetaMask all set up. Everything's good to go. And you also want to make sure that you have some Binance token ready at hand. Again, all you have to do is go to Viking Swap, copy the address, come back to PancakeSwap, paste it in there, grab Viking. You'll hear the little sound effect. I hope you like that. And then you can exchange some BNB for some Viking. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed the video, please like it. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell to know when we post more videos. And if you have any comments, any feedback, please let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching Cryptics. Have an amazing day and best of luck with your cryptocurrency and altcoin endeavors.